Hey guys, so now we're just drying the client's hair. I'm sorry for the towel. This towel I had for years. Excuse the towel. I wasn't thinking about that. Just trying to show you guys how to get this press and curl done. So I'm drying her hair. I'm drying the water out her hair, actually. And so the trick of it is, okay, this is the olive oil, argan oil, which I use too much of. I should have put three spritz. I should have spritzed 3 times in my hand and displayed it on her hair. And I don't know what I was thinking at this time. I'm tired, so this wasn't actually a good model because it was a lot of work. So I'm putting on this to protect her hair, and yeah, to start the blow drying, and then I'm going to put her hair in 4 sections, and I'm just going to start the blow dry. So with this, of course, we all know that we don't start from the roots. We start from the ends when we blow dry. And yeah, so we're just going to section it in 4 and then start the blow drying procedures. And after this shampoo and style, I'm actually purchasing a new blow dryer from Amazon. Let me see, can I look it up? Because this blow dryer comb has worked me out. And what's going to happen is this other blow dryer is so much easier. It's like a handheld dryer that is almost like you're brushing the hair instead of combing, you know? So to make life easier, yeah, it's called the Infinity Pro by Conair, 1875 watts, which that's basically a ceramic style dryer. So it says 1875 watts with 3-in-1 ceramic styler with 3 attachments, which is going to make our lives so much easier. So if you didn't get anything out the course, you sure got some tools that's going to make your life easier. But I'm sure you will enjoy the before and after pictures of this hairstyle, because we all seen her hair in the beginning. So at least she doesn't have to have that hair anymore. And then continuously using the shampoo and conditioner, all it's going to do is get better and better. Because when the clients came in, the mother stood over me like she wanted to know, how was I going to achieve this? That's how bad this client's hair was. But of course, with product and knowledge, everything works out fine. So yeah, I'm just going to start to blow dry the hair from the ends to the roots. We want to make sure that we get all the water out, because if not, that straightening, what's it called? The flat irons will have it feeling like the water is traveling down to the client's brain. So we don't want to do that. So I'm going to continue to blow dry the client's hair, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.